Tesla's audio system offers extensive customization. This video shows you how to adjust the sub, bass, mid, treble, and balance settings to optimize your listening experience. These settings are controlled via the touchscreen interface, providing a streamlined and modern way to fine-tune your car's sound. Tesla has enhanced the premium audio experience in models like the Model S, Model X, and refreshed Model 3Y using over-the-air software updates. This video will walk you through each setting and how to best utilize them. The sub setting specifically adjusts the subwoofer, controlling the very low frequencies below 100 Hz. This is separate from the bass and enhances the thump in premium audio systems. Use this slider to fine-tune the deep bass sounds without affecting the overall bass balance. This can greatly enhance music or movies with heavy bass elements. Most vehicles can adjust this setting from -10 to +10, but this may change. The balance setting shifts the audio left or right, ranging from -10 for full left to +10 for full right. This helps compensate for different seating positions or uneven road noise affecting sound distribution. The fade setting adjusts the audio distribution between the front and rear speakers, particularly useful in SUVs like the Model X. This ensures even sound distribution throughout the cabin, especially benefiting passengers in the back seats. Tesla offers preset EQ settings like jazz or rock for quick changes. You can also manually adjust the sliders to create your own custom settings. Experiment with different combinations to find what sounds best for your preferred music genres and listening environment. Keep in mind that active noise cancellation in some models also affects how you perceive these settings. Consider adjusting treble during city driving to overcome traffic noise. Increasing high frequencies can help cut through urban sounds for clearer audio. Lowering bass during acceleration can save battery life in your Tesla. Deep bass consumes more power, so reducing it during high-speed driving optimizes energy efficiency. Tesla's AI is increasingly learning user preferences, so adjusting your EQ regularly can help personalize the experience. The system adapts to your listening habits for optimal sound. Tesla continues to evolve its audio settings through over-the-air updates. Owners upgraded to premium audio have reported a 30% improvement in bass clarity.